Welcome back. This is Bhavani Kola. Today we'll be looking at the GPT's new mention feature. This is like having an army of these chatbots ready and waiting to assist you in your digital classroom. We're going to see how we will change my old YouTube video into fun and engaging multimodal content for our students calling these multiple GPTs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Here I'm on my chatgpt, and today we'll be diving into the new @mention feature where we can interact with multiple GPTs in one conversation. So as soon as I type in the @ symbol, as you can see, it does call the recently used or pinned GPTs. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to be demoing today. So here is an old YouTube video of mine. I'm going to go ahead, use this video and turn this into a fun lesson plan for my students. To do that, I will start off with my free YouTube summarizer. I'm going to go ahead and say, please convert this video summary into an article. And of course, it's going to ask me, hey, what YouTube video do you want me to convert? I'm going to go ahead and paste my YouTube link. As you can see, it has clearly given me a detailed summary of what my YouTube video looks like, but I want to go ahead and take it a step further, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this prompt that says, please convert the video summary into an article, give me a heading, give me a brief introduction, explain causation, correlation, illustrated examples, true or false statements, and the conclusion. Just by changing a couple of prompts, it gives me a detailed description of my lesson based on how I want and how I planned my lesson. Now you might ask, what's the difference between copying this and copying the HTML code? So let me go ahead and copy this for you into the Canvas page. Here is my empty Canvas page. Let me go ahead and paste this. And as you can see, there are many symbols that I have to clean up before I post it on my Canvas page. So let me go ahead, delete this. Let's go back to our ChatGPT. And now let's look at a detailed prompting and the HTML code. Now, all I have to do is copy this code, go into my Canvas page, click on the HTML editor, paste this. Let's come back here, and as you can see, it is neat, clean, and crisp. It has exactly the information I wanted it to have. It has the introduction, the heading, causation versus correlation, illustrated examples, true or false statements, along with the conclusion. Now, well, that's not where we're going to stop. The whole video is about using the @mention feature. So once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and call the diagrams. And now let's go ahead and see the magic. I'm going to say use the above information and create a chart. And here I have the diagram that I'm looking for. So when I click on view full screen, it gives me causation, correlation, direct examples here. And this is exactly what I'm looking for. So once I know I have the image that I want, I am going to, let me go ahead and take a screenshot of this. Let me go back to my Canvas page, and all the way in the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and paste my image. And I also pasted my YouTube video in here, and let's go ahead, save and publish this page, and let's see how it looks. So here is the completed version. I do have a text version of this. I do have an image version for my students, and I also have a video explaining the correlation and causation. So this is a perfect example of how you can create multimodal learning facilities for your student, and all that with the @function or @mentions using your GPTs. Now you can take this a step further by, again, calling another GPT, which is Lesson Planner, and simply type in create a true or false questions using the above information, and let's see what happens. And it's automatically creating those true or false questions for you that you can just copy and paste into your LMS. But again, please, please, please be very careful when you're copying the information, especially from ChatGPT. You as an instructor have to verify, check, cross-check, double-check before you post it out to your students. And that's a wrap, my AI friends. With the new GPT mentioned feature, we've seen how easy it is to blend these AI models to enrich your lessons, make them more fun and engaging, and accessible to all kinds of learners. It's not just about saving time, it's about enhancing the quality and diversity of your teaching methods. So why stick to old ways, right? When you can innovate and inspire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into transforming your lessons and still making them fun and inclusive for everyone. Like always, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself